Good day, this is Chris, and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And today we are going to discuss about HDR software. And if you're looking for a free HDR software, then you have come to the right place. If you go to our website, you will see at 8downloads.com, we have here the Luminance HDR. So what is Luminance HDR? It's a free software that gives you the HDR photography style to edit your photos. So this is how we do it. Upon downloading the software, you will see how it will function. This is the Luminance HDR. So right now, I have preloaded my sample of a picture. And as you can see, at the right side here is an options wherein you can go make your pictures more brighter or more darker. Now, with Luminance HDR, you can get the best high dynamic range compression. So this is Chris again from 8downloads.com saying have a great day to all.